Now, when it comes to owning a car newer than the year 2000, in my opinion, it is a must to own some kind of fault code reader or diagnostic scanner. Now, this is because as cars get more and more advanced, they contain more and more computers, sensors, and the like. So when it comes to trying to diagnose some of the problems that they have, it is an absolute nightmare to try and do without the help of some sort of diagnostic device. But I get that not everyone is going to have the luxury of having a diagnostic device in the car with them at all times. And so in this video, I'm going to show you a quick, easy, free fix that you can do pretty much anywhere at any time to hopefully get you out of a sticky situation. Now, what I'm about to show you is not going to magically fix your car, but it may do things like get rid of an engine management light. It may take your car out of limp mode. And this is what I mean by getting you out of a sticky situation. Now, exactly what do you have to do then to get yourself out of this sticky situation? So first and foremost, you're going to want to locate the battery on your car. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now then, once you have located your battery, you're going to want to locate the negative terminal and the positive terminal. And you're going to want to remove both of the cable. So we'll start with the negative first, just a 10mm nut. Lift this off and out of the way. And then we'll do the positive, which again, just a 10mm nut. And again, should be able to lift this up and out of the way. What you're going to want to do next is take the negative cable or the ground cable and make contact with the positive cable. Now, if you can't make contact with the end of the cable where it goes onto the terminal, just feel free to do it onto the cable itself on any mounting points. As long as it makes contact, you're all good. And then what you want to do is leave this for a good 10 minutes, just so any voltage in the system completely drains down. Now, while we wait for that, I then just got myself a nice cuppa. Now, let me talk to you about something that I've been enjoying lately, and that is reading magazines. Now, I'm going to be completely honest, I'm not really a massive magazine fan when it comes to the traditional sense. You are essentially paying £5 or £6 for the average magazine for something that's more than likely going to end up in the bin. So I really don't like the waste aspect of that. Now, that's where Readly come in. They give you pretty much any magazine digitally at your fingertips on your smartphone or tablet. Now, when I say they have pretty much any magazine, they have thousands, whether or not you're into cars, politics, finance, health, beauty, you name it, there's probably a magazine for you. Now, as many of you guys know, I am a massive car fan and I am a massive BMW enthusiast, so I've been finding myself flicking through the Total BMW magazines. These are a perfect read for on your morning commute, or if you find yourself just looking for some inspiration on your project car. Now, Readly is very, very easy to use. When it comes to scrolling through the pages on your selected magazine, it is effortless. And if you find a page in your magazine that you want to go back to later, you can easily bookmark it. Now, Readly has kindly given you guys 2 months for free that you can cancel at any time, so you really have nothing to lose. All you need to do is click that link down in the description box and the pinned comment. Now then, 10 minutes has elapsed, so we can go ahead and reconnect the battery terminals. We'll start with the positive. And I'll secure that in place with the 10mm nut. And then we can do the negative. And again, secure it with the 10mm nut. And with the battery all now connected up, let's head back into the car. Now what we'll do is take our key, put it into the ignition on, and fire the engine up. And as we can see, absolutely no warning lights on the cluster there. And the engine is sounding even better than it was before. Well then, there we go. That is how you reset your car for free, essentially. Very, very simple and easy to do. Like I said, it's no you know, magic. It's not going to magically repair your car if there is a problem. You know, if you have an engine management light illuminated and it is like a continuous issue, if it's safe, it's not, you know, an intermittent fault, then chances are it's probably just going to come back on once you start driving again. But if you do have, you know, if your car has gone into limp mode, and like I said, it could get you out of that situation. It could help you continue your journey to either get to a garage or, you know, even to get home and try and diagnose the issue itself. Now, one thing I must say that I wasn't expecting is the fact that my engine now sounds and feels smoother. I don't know how this is possible. I don't know if it has in fact reset the engine adaptions or what, but yeah, it definitely seems to run smoother now. The idle seems smoother. I didn't really have a rough idle as such before, but yeah, it definitely seems smoother. The cold start seems to come down a lot smoother. So if you do have any, you know, rough running issues or a rough idle or anything like that, it's definitely worth trying this and seeing if it makes any difference. If you do have any success doing this yourself, then of course please do let me know how you get on. I'm interested to know your thoughts. But yeah, as always guys, I want to thank all of you for watching. Please remember to give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one.